Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Hom Pinky Tram, back with another video, but this time, it's not just one video. We got that trilogy special, so you know it's gonna be lit. Anyways, today, we're gonna be talking about computers, specifically how you yourself, that's right, you, can build a computer. Now you may be asking yourself, Hong, how the hell is this supposed to help me pick up chicks, bruh? Obviously, you ain't thinking, but your boy's got you, so I'm gonna explain it real quick, so listen up. First, girls love a handyman that can build and fix stuff up. You know that's true, ladies in the audience. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Second, like who doesn't have a computer in their life in this 21st century? That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Anyways, let's get into the video. So the first step to anything in life is to know what you're doing. And as I so nicely explained, we're going to learn how to build a computer. And the first step to building anything is to decide what materials we're going to use. Luckily, your boy is a computer connoisseur, so this will be a breeze. In front of you here is the best tool for you to use to choose the materials necessary to build your womanizer, the one and only PCPartPicker.com. Now you may be asking, Hong, I know nothing about computers. How do I know what parts to pick? Well, have no worries. Your old pal here will help you out by laying out the basics. Clicking this tab right here shows us the 8 components needed for us to produce our machine. I'll give you a comparison to body parts so you have an idea of what each part does. First off, we have the CPU, which is like the brain of the computer. Next is the CPU cooler, which basically keeps the brain cool. Then we have the motherboard, which is like the spine. Next is the RAM, which is like our short-term memory. We also have hard drives, which serve as a long-term memory. Then the video card is like your eyes, but depending on how powerful it is, you can have really clear or really blurry eyesight. And then we have the power supply, which is the heart of the computer. And last is the case, the skin to wrap it all up. Now I know you're thinking to yourself, Hong, why am I listening to you lecture about the biology of a computer? My answer to that is, if you can't understand the biology of a computer, how can you hope to understand the complex structure that is the female mind? Checkmate, atheists. Now, once we click this Start a System Build button, right here, what do you think is going to happen? I'll give you 5 seconds to think. That's right, we start a system build. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now, once we click the Start a System Build button, we are redirected to a list of all the parts we need to purchase, laid out beautifully for us. By clicking on Choose a Part, for example, the CPU, we are redirected to another list of CPUs, with many filters we can choose from. From there, we choose the part that fits our budget best, and we rinse and repeat for the other parts. Now if you're a lazy bum like me, I mean, you would rather follow already proven successful builds that have attracted females, then the completed build section is perfect for you. Here you can see all the builds the community has made, which is perfect for many reasons. You can use these builds to identify which product fits your budget best, or you can browse all day admiring the work put into these builds, like countless other girls. The goal is that one day you'll be on the receiving end. And that concludes the first part of this series. If you have followed the steps listed in this video correctly, you should be ready to purchase your parts. Once this is complete, the sense of accomplishment you feel should release a certain pheromone that would signify you as an alpha, so you may notice some females looking your way. Don't worry, you'll soon get used to their gaze, but to truly take advantage of your position, you'll need to watch the next video. Good luck, and stay thirsty, my friends. Alright, thanks for watching my video, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button and that subscribe button. And don't forget to comment down below what you're expecting from the next video. Also, this was not a paid sponsorship from PC Part Picker, but they should really pay me though. Alright, have a good day, y'all. Peace.